hump. That's what the last test was, but some got a bigger hump. And I'm in an uphill battle, taking a lot of shrapnel, but I'm still willing to grapple. This is a cliffhanger, not a club banger. Got me on the edge of my seat, wondering if there's anything left of me. And then it says, I'm just talking to my classroom, but anyway, it goes, they saying I can't believe it, just wrote that, but let's go to the vote pad. So grab your notepad and note that there's a difference between you and me. Is it true? I can't get it the way that it was given to you. Is this a significant difference, text, or am I just vexed? I'm a sample of the population, the sample and Dre's compilation. Hopefully I represented and I'm reliable, or I'll get sued for libel. The truth is Bible, but facts are stupid things, said Reagan, misquoting Adam's stubborn things, I reckon, because it isn't replication when he's wrecking. Statistics is my weapon, but I'm getting kicked like Tekken. Got to learn to use the power tools in my cabinet. If you can imagine decaf rapping, what would happen? He'd get us hyped, to give us a list of different types. 1 for 1 sample size, 2 for 2 sample right. Then for 3 or more, you factor analyze the variance. Take and leave the parameters if you dare permit. Garbage in, garbage out. Hope your heart is in for the bout, cause statistics is a jealous mistress with a garbage mouth. She's talking trash, want me to drop the class, but there's no stopping now. Like a form of freestyle, pick up the ball and keep running while the D keep gunning. He's not the enemy, just the method to make me something that can quantify as well as qualify. Got the drive, known that before I took motivation. Quote, I'm patient, so I let the anxiety subside and abide my time. I got finally statistics on my mind. Third verse. We met Dre and NWA back past 2 decades. Heard about the accolades for their gangster ways. Before they split the group, there was one Eazy-E and one Ice Cube, but also only one iced tea, not counting the kind you drink. Each so unique you can exactly sample. And we knew Pac got the juice like Snapple, and Biggie got capped in the Big Apple. This is one sample that is blunt apple, able to reflect the panel. So can we generalize it? Could you visualize it beneath your eyelids like I did? I'm giving you the treatment, a memory to keep the beat with. I could be the experimental mentor, survey disseminator of Eminem tours. He got the rap game in a lasso, studied the rap tape ex post facto. Wish Eazy-E got his T-cells up, but at least we got his story he tells us. Call the paramedics and get the parametrics so we can put a scale to this normal distribution, not normally varying in this variant execution. We need to evaluate the correct procedure before we leave on the scene a bleeder. Got more respect for nurse cause statistics hurting. We want the precision of a surgeon so the incision is dispersing. In other words, I'm the one bleeding out and screaming out. I can't die to the stat stand, so I'm on the grandstand for a last stand like a wax stand on a wax man, celebrated for being a banging on wax man who has proven his validity by longevity. Ability, who is also dependent yet continuous on perpetuity, and the meaning of robust is opposite of having no nuts, because even if deviation shows up, I'm gonna accurately show butt in a way colder than cold cuts on the Eskimo cold huts. So what difference does it make? We'll play the logic tape in the 4th tape. And then verse 4 starts let me give you the logic of the t-test, because there ain't gonna be no retest or recess.